god, the water's splashing. No, the water's splashing. Yeah, it's splashing on me. Take the heel off. Good morning. It's a Valentine's Day and it's Sunday, February 14th, and I don't want to look like staying like that. So, of course, I'm going to do something about it. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do my makeup first. Should I do my hair first? And then dress up and then get ready to just enjoy the day outside. It looks like a really nice day in LA today. Probably gonna go to the mall. I don't know, enjoy yourself, just enjoy the time together, family time, because Valentine's for us, it's also family time. And well, we woke up today, we got some breakfast, the girls are ready. I just need to get ready. Also did some self-tanning this morning, and after shower I used this like Valentine tinted body lotion. So it's not like a regular tan, it's like a lotion which is, you can actually apply it every day if you want like a deeper tan, but I actually like the way my skin is right now, and yeah, I really like that one. I just use it like only like a couple times, but I love how it's, you know, like natural looking tan and not patchy at all. So yeah, I used that and some lotion before that. Bum cream. I love this one. Also, some of my recommendation if you have cellulite. I think this one is good. I mean, I used it that much and I think I like it. I got it off Amazon. I'm gonna do my hair probably with the dysonairwrap just to have like a little wave, like natural wavy hair. And then I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing, which that's why I need to actually wear it to show you, because I'm gonna do my lip color the same as my look, which is gonna be red lipstick, and the outfit is gonna be red and jeans, which I'm going to show you also on my TikTok. So I know you guys, some of you here also from TikTok, so you probably know that I'm doing a lot of like get ready with me on my TikTok, which is outfit, makeup and hair. So I'm gonna do like behind the scene here, but the overall like transformation is gonna be on my TikTok, so go watch it there if you haven't followed me on TikTok already. In my makeup, it's very like, I kept it natural, just bold lips. Oh my god, you heard that noise? What's that weird noise? What is that? Look at that wind outside. Anyways, I got myself ready. You can see, yeah, that's what I'm wearing. Red boots. But I can't go with these shoes, like I can't literally walk. Okay. I just did it for the video. Like they're pretty, yeah, but I can't walk with them. Pretty high. Take the heel off. Look what they wrote to us in the morning. Happy Valentine's Day. Super cute. Oh my god, you heard that? I don't know where it comes from, but they're so cute. Woo. Well, now I'm ready for Valentine. So cute. Okay, you put perfume. Let's put some lip gloss on you. This lipstick is changing color for... Do you want to put it on? Here, put it on. Pink or red? We're going to the one. This one. Yeah, but this one is only half. Now we're on our way to the mall. And this is...
Oh, look at the biking, double biking for Valentine.
Thank you for the water. Yeah. That's nice. Yeah, it's Valentine's Day. Everything is like you're doing with your loved ones. So the camera to see how I look like. Okay, I put the mask on. Fine. Get to the mall. Now let's go. Oh really? Tom and Jerry. Got to the mall. Lots of people here today. Oh, really cute. Oh, here's Charlotte Tilbury. I
see the flag. Can you see?
See me?
Oh, the battery about to die. So let's stand right there. Good price. Come on, yay!
Oh my god, the water's splashing. No, the water's splashing. Yeah, it's splashing all I'm being quiet because the girls just got into their classes. And I washed my hair yesterday. And because it was too greasy, I couldn't show you exactly how I'm doing my Dyson Airwrap with really like nasty hair. So I washed it. I feel so fresh. So now it's still kind of wet. I was sleeping with it very carefully. But yeah, I didn't dry it. It was just like air dry now. And a little bit wet, so I can show you exactly how I use the tool. It's really good. But let's see. So by the way, this is what it comes with. I know I just pushed it in, not really organized, but that's how it should be. You have this tool to kind of smooth out on the top, and another one just to straight. And this one says that it's also good for volume, but I honestly tried it once, but I totally prefer those, which gives me so much volume. This is the thinner one, and this one is a little bit thick, and this one just gives like the natural blue whatever. So pretty. So I think I'm gonna use that today. And this one to dry your hair. My natural hair now, it's air dry, so I don't need that. But I have also the Dyson air dryer, so this one is also a plus if you like just to buy this one. It's really good. But I have the other one too, so yeah, I'm only gonna use that one today. By the way, this is really good. You have to try it. I'm not walking. This is not my size. I'm just like going on top of them in the morning, and it's really good. This is the tool, and I'm gonna go to the other room for my makeup room. Okay, so I did some purple shampoo as well, so it looks much better now. I'm going to spray that dry shampoo, which I have this one by Amika, and I have this one. I really am not a fan. If you have any really good recommendation that you love, just leave me in the comment below, because I'm struggling to find the best dry shampoo. Feels fresh for hours. It gives me like a white residue for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe I need to blend it like that. Okay, I'm gonna take this part. And I'm gonna start here. I plugged it inside, and then you just turn it on. There is like 3 dots here and 3 dots there. I'm putting it on the high, like the hot, and then on the stronger one. But you can do like on the middle. And then if you need to cool it down, you just put it all the way up here, and then you can cool it down. I don't know if you can tell that. Do you see this blue dot? So when you turn on, and then you can cool it down when you push it all the way up. Okay, so now I'm gonna just do that. So you just turn it on, and then I like, because you see the arrow just go that way. So when I pull it like that way, it's just going to grab my hair and just twist it already. So just like that. Just on the end, I'm pushing it all the way up to cool it down. And now it will be like that for a second, but it's not gonna stay like that. But look how cool. Okay, now I'm gonna take this piece. I promise it's not gonna stay like that, but it's so cool. So to be honest, I'm not even using like the other stuff in the Dyson box, but sometimes. And it's just good to have this like variety. And look at this. Look what it. I love when you just doing this for me, because I love it. And I cannot get this with any other tool. I cannot achieve that. So really impressed by that. So you want to always all the way up going when you're about to finish the curl, because it's going to lock the curl. So you have to use like the cool side of it after it gets hot. And it's healthier for your hair, so it's really good. To be honest, I'm not even precise. I'm just like going all over. I don't have like a precise way that I do it right. So bouncy. I'm always looking at the arrow, like, where is it going? Oh, okay. And then pull it down all the way up. And then release. Okay, cool. But if you need, like, I know I need to, like, the longer tool, because you can buy that separately, but this one just comes with a box. So I haven't bought the other one because I have a long hair, so I do need the other one, the longer part, but that's fine. Running through my fingers here and there. But for this part, I need the other tool that goes up. This one just goes down. Like, you see the arrow, it will go down. I need the other one that, or maybe I can just flip it. Like, totally. But it will be hard. Let's try it. Okay, so that's pretty much how I like this to look like. And whew, to be honest, I didn't wash my lip mask from the night. That's how it should look like, and I love when it gives me this volume, and I can flip it and give it even more volume. But that's why I love this Dyson so much, and I think that's it worth any penny, every penny, really. I'm gonna drink my coffee, but look at that, look at my hair. It's like I was in the salon, like seriously. I'm gonna drink my coffee and I'm gonna get ready for the day. But I feel even with these pajamas and this hair, I feel even ready to do anything. But now I need my makeup. But yeah, that's it. I mean, this will probably, I'm gonna zhuzh it later, but for now this is what it looks like, and I feel like I love this look, so I'm not even going to touch it, even though there is some touch up to do. But I feel so cute with this hair look. And yeah, this is still like stays hot for a little bit, but the tool is not like iron tool or something. That's really cool about this. So yeah, kind of a small review for some of you that really wanted to have this Dyson, or you have it and you don't know what to do with that and you're struggling. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this little tutorial and probably the vlog of the Valentine's Day, but I haven't done this kind of hair for Valentine's. It's only happening like when I'm doing this hair and it comes like that, only when I'm after a shower and like full volume and stuff. But when I'm not and it's greasy, you barely can get this volume, but you can because this Dyson is really good. Yeah, so we had a great Valentine. I hope you guys had a great Valentine's Day as well, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little video tutorial on this hair. I'm gonna get ready and I'm gonna tell you goodbye, and thank you so much for watching. Bye. I forgot to show you, but this is kind of my secret. I like to use this powder thingy I got off Amazon. It comes with the brush like underneath, and this is just so cool. Like I don't really need to go to the hair salon for this rude touch up because it does match kind of the hair color, this rude touch up. And I feel like really I went out of the salon. Like just maybe the color is not the best, but it's nothing that I can do about it. But I mean like the curls and how it looks is my favorite way. So